A very good morning to all of you guys. Myself Arvind Yadav, your mentor of current affair and static GS. I have brought to some questions that you can be use of you. If you are preparing UPSC, MPPSC, PPSC and state level PSC preliminary examination. These questions use of various state level examination as well as central level examination. This video is useful for all the state level examination as well central level examination. So here about me, myself is Arvind Yadav and this is my contact number and this is my Insta ID. So now move to first question. And which edition has Hockey Indian Junior Men National Championship has been crowned? So here is correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Let me talk about the Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is won the hockey men championship award. And about the Uttar Pradesh capital is Lucknow and CM Yogi Adityanath and Governor Anandiben Patel. Uttar Pradesh divided in 18 division and 75 district and 100 Vidhan Sabha seat and 404 Vidhan Parishad seat and 31 Rajya Sabha seat and 80 Lok Sabha seat. And Uttar Pradesh High Court situated in Allahabad. And let me one thing remember, in Uttar Pradesh cultivation area in 82%. And another fact we also remember, largest city in Kanpur, and area wise Uttar Pradesh is ranking in 4th among all the state of India, and Uttar Pradesh population wise ranking is first in among all the state of India. And Uttar Pradesh population density is 830 kilometer square per second. And one fact is also remember is Uttar Pradesh state mammals is Barasinga, and Uttar Pradesh state flower is Falas, and Uttar Pradesh is state tree is equal to Ashok tree. And Uttar Pradesh rank first in tourism purpose. And Uttar Pradesh famous fair is Kumbh Mela, Magh Mela, Nauchandi Mela, Sakambari Mela, Dadri Mela. And Uttar Pradesh one thing also remember is Okhla Wildlife Sanctuary situated in Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh High Court situated in Allahabad. Uttar Pradesh Gorakhpur city situated in GI tag in Terracotta. And Varanasi is also a historical city in the Uttar Pradesh. So now we move to next question. And DRDO has been selected the which company and handling over the technology of border services and system. So here is correct answer is Paras Defense Space Technology. And let me talk to another fact. Pralay missile launched by DRDO. And DRDO Foundation Day 64th and DRDO also celebrating the Rudram. DRDO also launched the Rudram project in Odisha. And DRDO another project is anti-tag missile. Anti-tag missile is launched by Nag in Odisha. And DRDO, about the DRDO another fact also remember is DRDO Swadeshi missile Pinaka launched by Odisha Chandipur district. So DRDO Swadeshi missile is launched in Odisha in Chandipur district. Or another fact also remember is APJ Abdul Kalam Deep is Agni P missile DRDO launched by APJ Abdul Kalam Deep. And DRDO also planning is Hello MH60 missile, MH60 Romeo missile. DRDO purchased the Hello MH60 missile purchase. And let me talk one fact also remember is China is planning to Phion 4B. And other international talk about the space space in term of space agency Dvoince and Vinci is launched by NASA, and this is a Venus mission. Venus mission launched by this is a two mission of Venus launched by. Now move to next question is which of the following has signed an agreement in the enable to customer of South Indian Bank. So South Indian Bank is correct answer is HDFC Bank, or HDFC Bank is 22.3% asset, and South Indian Bank headquarter is talk about the Thrissur, Kerala, and CEO of Murali Prasad Krishnan in South Indian Bank. And let one thing also remember in RBI Bank headquarter with financial officer is Sudha Ramkrishnan Murthy, and Sansad or another fact is also remember Sansad TV is first CEO in Ravi Kapoor, and also talk about the another fact is also remember Niti Aayog CEO Amitabh Kant, and Vice President Rajiv Kumar, and President Narendra Modi. And let me move to next question. Japan has been launched the communication satellite in Transgenia Space Center in Heavy. So this is correct answer 1. And this is missile is 2240 miles and 3579 km. Km is also movable. This is a orbit of geo satellite orbit. Now move to next question is which had Forest Service officer appointed a Director General in Forest Special Security Officer. Chandra Prakash Goyal is correct answer. Now move to next question. Aarti Krishnan, editorial advisor and business is which committee? So here is correct answer is SEBI, and acronyms of SEBI is Security Exchange Board of India, and foundation of SEBI is cut to 30 January 1992. Foundation of SEBI is cut to 12 April 1992, and headquarter is Mumbai, and CEO of Ajay Tyagi, and RBI governor. Let me talk another fact also remember is RBI governor Shaktikant Das, and RBI asset is 4669.426 crore, and headquarter of RBI is equal to Mumbai, and initial headquarter of RBI is equal to 1935 in Kolkata. And if you talk about the RBI asset in dollar in 620 billion, and talk about the IRDA. What about the IRDA? The Insurance Regulatory Development Authority, and IRDA foundation in 1999, and headquarter in Hyderabad, or CEO of Subhash Chandra Kuntia, and this is under finance ministry. So let me move here is correct answer is SEBI. And now move to next question. 46 GST meeting counseling has rate each sector of which state the textile is correct answer, and there is reduced to 50% to 5%, and GST slab is 0%, 5%, 12%, 18%, 28%, and maximum GST will be possible to extend it in 40%, and GST is 101th amendment in Constitution of India, and GST is mentioned in 279 article in the Constitution of India. GST recommendation by the Kelkar committee, and GST effective by 1 July 2017, and GST also is a tax in 1986, and GST If we talk about the GST in initial historical about the fact in Vishwanath Prasad Singh, when the finance minister in Rajiv Gandhi cabinet ministry in 1986, Vishwanath Prasad, they are initially started and approaches day by day improving, and that's why the day by day is changing, and that's why day by day changing and implemented, and they are finally apply in 1 July 2017. And GST is a Indian GST based in Canada model, and GST Indian GST number apply in GST number of country 168, or GST is 3 times central GST, state GST, or integrated GST. Or GST basically which पेट्रोलियम, एल्कोहलिक, उसके बाद एल्कोहलिक, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक एंड नो नॉट अंडर GST range. And so now here is correct answer is GST, and 12% to reduce in 12% to 5% is here is correct answer. Now move to next question. And China is claimed is which one of the South Tibet? So here is correct answer is Arunachal Pradesh. And what is a South Tibetan? So South Tibetan is situated is China is increasing the border of 15 state 15 places. And China latest Ministry of External Affairs or Beijing, China is follow the Beijing aggressive approach and line of control here. And one thing also remember in term of Mizoram, Pampupare district in Mizoram is searches is vanadium metal in the search in Pampur district. And and Arunachal Pradesh also launched the Atmanirbhar Krishi Yojana and Bagwani Yojana. So here is correct answer is B, Arunachal Pradesh. So now move to next question. Which one of the following the chief minister has launched the Kausal Rozgar Nigam portal? So here is launched by Kausal in Haryana government, and Haryana CM is Manohar Lal Khattar, and governor is and Haryana is CM is Manohar Lal Khattar, and Haryana also in Atal Park and Smriti Kendra, and also is 78 offices. Or if you talk about the Assam is a 3 national park, Orang Tiger Reserve, Manas Tiger Reserve, and Kaziranga Tiger Reserve. And if you talk about the Bihar, the Bihar Valmiki Tiger Reserve. And if you talk the few another important fact in 51 Tiger Reserve which Bimithuputhur Tiger Reserve, and 52 Tiger Reserve equal to Ramgarh Vistari Tiger Reserve. If you talk about the Bandipur Tiger Reserve is situated in Karnataka. So we are talking in Kausal Rozgar Scheme Nigam portal, which state is launched? Here is correct answer in Haryana. And so Haryana is CM is Manohar Lal Khattar, and Kanha. If you talk about the Madhya Pradesh, the Kanha Satpura is also situated in Madhya Pradesh. So here is correct answer is C, Haryana. So now move to next question. Karnataka government has partnered by the NPCI which enabled to implemented by the e-rupee. So here is correct answer is Indus Bank, and Indus Bank is Atmanirbhar Bank is if you talk about the Bank of Baroda Atmanirbhar Oman Yojana, and IDFC Banks is launched the Ghar Ghar Ration Karyakram Yojana. So here is correct answer is Indus Banks. And now move to e-rupee is 2 August. E-rupee is cashless and contactless money, and here is about the fact in also mentioned. And PM Modi has inaugurated the Swara-Kuddu hydro project in which state? So Swara-Kuddu hydro project is 11,000 crore rupees and is 1100 megawatt. 100 megawatt to zero capital crore rupee of fund. This is a foundation stone situated in Ranukaji Dam project, and capital is Dharmsala and Sunni and Haryana and Himachal Pradesh winter capital is Dharmsala and summer capital in Shimla. Our governor is Rajendra Arlekar and CM is Jairam Thakur. So here is Swarna Kudur hydro project situated in Himachal Pradesh, and option D is correct. So now move to DG Renuka Ji Dam. And so we move to which has been announced the green fixed deposit. So here is correct answer is Indus Bank. Indus Bank is correct, and this is a SDG Sustainable Development Goal under work in SDG announced the green fixed deposit. And let me one thing remember about the HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank is Sasidhar Jagdishan is CEO, and headquarter is Mumbai and founded in 1994. About the HDFC Bank in Startup Unnati Karyakram and Green Unsustainable Deposit in also mentioned. So now move to next question. And who has the author of VL Datta Claims Pioneer Journey? The here correct answer is VL Indira Datta. Option C is correct. So talk about the few another fact. The Indian story, Vimal Jalan, and Beautiful Things, Hunter Biden, N. Nehru, तिब्बत एंड चाइटा, अवतार सिंह भसीन, बुद्धा एंड गद्वारा, सुनीता त्रिवेदी की बुक है, एंड कमला वे डेन मोरेना, एंड मी टू करणपुरी की बुक है। मी टू करणपुरी की बुक है। एंड सो नाउ मूव इन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु हैज़ बीन अपॉइंटेड द न्यू MD and CEO ऑफ पंजाब नेशनल बैंक? तो न्यू CEO of Punjab National Bank is Atul Kumar Goyal. And so now move to next question. The which has is journalist year of the Reddick Award is excellence of journalism. So Reddick Award of journalism is Subhash Danish Siddiqui is correct answer, and this is inaugurated by N.V. Raman, Chief Justice of India, and this is for spectrum of investigation and impeachment news of photography. And Danish Siddiqui and talk about the Supreme Court. Supreme Court is 30 plus 1 judge, and Supreme Court work under Article 1 to 4, and Election Commission work in 3 to 4 article, and Sangh Lok Seva Ayog यानी public 3 to 1 2 article. And here is correct answer is Danish Siddiqui is correct answer about this question. So let we move to next question. The president of which country has Hamdullah foreign sustainable prime minister Mohammed Hussein Robela Kafi? So Somalia is correct answer. And now move to next question. In which state state government has approved the Khelo India Youth Game? The Khelo India Youth Game is launched by Khelo India Youth Game launched by the Madhya Pradesh government. Madhya Pradesh government has planned to 50 acre zameen is acquired by the Khelo India Game in Nathua Varkheda, and 176.9 crore rupees each project estimated for this Khelo India Youth Game. So here correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh is capital is Bhopal, and Bhopal is situated in Madhya Pradesh High Court situated in Jabalpur, and cleanest city Indore. Madhya Pradesh is in famous tourist place in like Sanchi, Bhimbetka cave, and Panchmadi also is important place. And old dynasty, if you what about the Scindia dynasty, Holkar dynasty also situated in Madhya Pradesh. So now move to next question. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi has launched the blockchain digital degree of which institute? Here is correct answer is IIT Kanpur. And Unwreath. If you talk about another scheme, Unwreath Life, IIT Ropar. And yes, if you talk about the which IIT टॉप द नवाचार, तो IIT मद्रास टॉप द नवाचार स्कीम. और उसके बाद इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट द जैविक किट यानी बायोब्रिक बायोब्रिक इज IIT हैदराबाद. और इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट अनदर फॉर राजीव गांधी औरंग पार्क एंड सुप्रीम कोर्ट लॉन्च द फास्टर एंड सुपार्को एफ, which has been inaugurated the world first dual mode vehicle. तो here is correct answer is Japan. और Japan is capital is Tokyo, और Tokyo और currency is yen. And this is a 60 km per hour speed to 100 km per hour speed. And Japan capital is Tokyo, और Tokyo is situated और and currency is Japanese yen. And president is Fumio Kishida. And now to move to next question, who has appointed a deputy national security advisor of National Security Council Secretariat? So here correct answer is Vikram Mistry, and he is a 1989 IFS batch. And here is a national security advisor is Ajit Doval. And let me move to next question. PM Narendra Modi, which is foundation stone in Major Dhyanchand Sport University situated in Meerut. Meerut is also famous for port taxi in Jewar Airport to Noida Film City Center. About talk about the Major Dhyanchand Sport University in 700 crore and football, basketball and 1008 crore rupees in 1080 seat in available in this university, and 540 and 540 and divided in female and male. And so move next question. And there is Major Dhyanchand Khel University inaugurated by Narendra Modi and situated in Meerut. So now move to next question. Who has been appointed MD and CEO of UCO Bank? The Soma Sanskar Prasad. And so move to next question. And about the UCO Bank is founded in 1942. Mahatma Gandhi Bharat Chodo Andolan when they started, and Ghanshyam Birla is started to 1943 और आधुनिक बैंक स्थापित करने की बात कही. तो here is United Bank, a founder of GT Birla. So move to next question. Khalid Hussain has been won the Sahitya Prize which language? Here is correct answer in Punjabi. And Sahitya Akademi Award in given in 24 languages, and in 8th schedule, constitution of 8th schedule means in 22 language, but in Sahitya Akademi Award in 24 language. So two language, who is main additional 2 languages? So 2 languages is one of the Rajasthani and second one is English. And so now we talk about the who English winner. English is who is got the English in Sahitya Akademi Award. So Sahitya Mr. Gokhale, who is a things to live. He's got the English Sahitya Akademi in term of English Sahitya Akademi Award. And in Hindi, Daya Prakash is got the Samrat in his book Samrat Ashok नामक बुक पर he got the Hindi literature. So here is Khalid Hussain is got the Punjabi, and Sahitya Akademi Prize is awarded in 1954 and he is of 1954. So move to next question. Who has stopped Syama Prasad Mukherjee Ruban mission? So here is Telangana is correct answer. And this scheme also in short form is SMRM. And so move in next question. Who has named it PETA India 2001 World Person of the Year? So Alia Bhatt is correct answer. and thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.